Hello everybody. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to scale and rotate an texture inside a material. To demonstrate it I will use here my landscape material and I will scale and rotate the grass. So let's begin. First of all you have to select your material. So I use my landscape material here. So I select the landscape and go in the details panel to landscape material. Search for it and double click in the content browser on your material. And here you have to select the landscape chords. So in my case, like I said, the grass texture here. So I select this one, and under mapping scale I can scale the texture size. So I will scale to 2.5. Enter and save. You can see that it's much bigger right now. And now I want to rotate it. So to see it better I set the scale back to 0 and the mapping rotation I set it to 90 degrees. Enter, save, and now you can see the grass turns right 90 degrees. Yeah, that's all. See you.